This brief tutorial is going to walk me through the data download for the CFD monthly report. Can't believe I've not caught this. Anyway, once you run the premise history report, you end up with this, right? So you save that right here, and you save the format, you save it as data only, you make sure it's all, you hit OK. Then you wait. When the file comes up, you open it. Well, first you save as. You put it on the desktop. Okay. Then you can open it. The only thing you do to this file is you clean it. So you go to your macro and you've opened up your personnel and your shift calendar already. So there's a clean right here. Clean data, you run it. Okay. And you do that. You may want to make it a table, you may not. You don't have to. If you make it a table, you can get rid of number 1, but you close it, right? So it's on the desktop, save the changes, close it. You go to your access. You go to external data, saved imports, import report viewer. You run it. It says OK. Then you close this. There's sheet 1 right here. You always delete file number 1, right? You're about to delete, yes. You take sheet 1 and you append it to table CAD data, and you do that with this particular query. We're going to open design view. It's all set. So after you append that, now you have your table CAD data is up to date. Then you want to export your table CAD data query. So you run this table, let's see. You run table link CAD data export. You have to choose the date. So design view. Those are your dates. Shift F2 makes it bigger. If you want to, you can do this. Okay, so that tells you which dates you want, which you have to link to the calendar, of course. You don't want to overlink or copy your data. That gives you the table link CAD data export table. So here, we're going to run this just for the heck of it. So run it. It says you're about to paste there. You say yes. So there's your table link CAD data export. Okay, so you export this table. We're going to delete it because it's already there. When you export that table, you come up with this right here. So you open it up, you take it, you create a copy, you send it to shift calendar. So move a copy, create a copy, send it to shift calendar. And when you do that, here's shift calendar, there's your table. Once it's in shift calendar, you turn it into a table, Control T. You move your cursor here, you go to macros, you do order. Okay, you do shift date, and then you do unit, and that gives you this. You save it. Do not change the name here. It has to be table link CAD data export, and while it's open, you go to your external data, saved imports, and you import shift calendar on desktop, right? And we're going to run it because it's there. So you run it. It's got a lot of data. Objects were imported successfully. You close it. There's your table and CAD data export. You take it. You rename it. You try to rename it. There it is. God, don't get old and lose your mind. You rename it to import. And I'm thinking that it's not case sensitive, but if you're going to do it right. Right, so now it's named import. Then you run this query, which is append table link CAD data update. So design view, there's all your stuff, and that updates this table link CAD data, and that is the table that you use to do your pivot tables, and that is the end.